Hey everyone, if you want to master NotebookLM in 2026, you're in the right place. In this complete guide, I'll show you the best features, workflows, and strategies to get the most out of NotebookLM. NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research and knowledge assistant that helps you analyze, summarize, organize, and interact with your own sources. NotebookLM can save hours of work by helping you quickly find information, generate summaries, create notes, and answer questions based on your documents. Create separate notebooks for each project, subject, client, research topic, or business goal. Add PDFs, Google Docs, websites, presentations, reports, meeting notes, and other relevant materials. Use NotebookLM to generate summaries, executive overviews, study notes, and key takeaways. Specific questions produce better answers. Ask detailed questions about your sources to uncover valuable insights. Generate study guides, revision notes, research summaries, and learning materials automatically. Compare sources, identify trends, extract findings, and organize information for reports and projects. Listen to AI-generated audio summaries to review information while multitasking. Store key findings, summaries, and answers inside your notebooks for future reference. Remove outdated files, group related materials, and maintain clean notebooks for better AI performance. Create consistent processes for studying, researching, writing, project management, and content creation. Use separate notebooks for different goals, create focused source collections, ask follow-up questions, and regularly update your materials. Avoid uploading unrelated documents into the same notebook, relying only on summaries, or failing to organize your sources. NotebookLM is useful for students, researchers, teachers, writers, marketers, consultants, business owners, and anyone who works with information. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to master NotebookLM in 2026. With the right workflow and organization, NotebookLM can become one of your most valuable productivity and research tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.